In this video, I will show you how to create this cute Christmas shopfront with stems from the Urban Art Kit, and in the second part I will show you how to color it. All the stems I will use in this video you can download for free. I will put a link to the description box. So first, you want to make a new canvas. I will do 5000 by 5000 pixels, or you can use the canvas in the Urban Art Kit pack. Now, here are the free stamp pack. I am using just the black color and each stamp is saved in size, so they all work perfectly together. But of course you can make them bigger or smaller if you want. There are stamps to create the shopfront, and now there are 10 more new Christmas themed decoration stamps. Each stamp I will stamp in a new layer, so it is easier to move around it and erase part that we are gonna erase later in the video. So I start with the frame, put it somewhere in the middle by using snapping, and then I will stamp the door and window, and also you can place it wherever you like, of course. I will put the door more to the left side and window more to the right side. When the main thing of the shop is stamped, I will add the decorations. There are two inside shop decorations, one with a tree and one with snowman. This time I will stamp the snowman. At the moment everything will look very chaotic, but later we will fix that, don't worry. First I want to stamp everything and then make things look neat. So go over all the decoration stamps and place them on your canvas wherever you like. When everything is stamped, then we will erase the lines that we don't need. So one option is create a layer mask. Then I suggest you pick a nice round brush and with using the black color, go over the lines that you don't need, like on the door behind the bread. This method is nice because if you change your mind about the stamp placement, you can go over the same spot with white color and it will bring back the original stamp. So you don't need to stamp again. But if you are happy with all the placements, then you can just use the eraser. I also like to use the hard round brush for that. And then look for things that are behind and erase the lines. To make things easier, you can lower the opacity for the layer you are erasing, so you will see easier what to erase and what not. I will also change up the snow stamps. So here I am erasing part of the stamp that I don't want in the drawing, and I will duplicate some other snow block and move it to another place, like just one snow block from the stamp. I do that by using the selection freehand tool and then swipe down with 3 fingers and click duplicate and move the snow in the new place. When I am happy with all the stamps, I merge the layers together and then I want to add the bottom line of the shop. I use the creamy fine liner from the Urban Art Kit because all the stamps are made with this brush, so all the outlines will work very nicely together. Also, don't forget about your shop's name, and that's it. See you in the next part. where I will color the shopfront. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the new Christmas themed stamps. Bye!